Hi, this is Brett Taylor at Taylor & Son Chevrolet, and this is our 1999 four-wheel drive Chevy Tahoe. Aluminum wheels, 60 to 70% tread life remaining on the tires. This is a local trade-in to our dealership. We have extensive service records on this, including the previous owner recently put a new transfer case in the vehicle. See, it's the LS package. It's got a driver's side power seat, cloth seating, power windows and locks, headlamp controls. It is equipped with a cassette and a CD player for anyone who wants a throwback. Push button four-wheel drive with low range, front bucket seating. This thing is clean, and if you're looking for an inexpensive four-wheel drive that really will do well in all four seasons, this is an excellent choice. See, second row seating area. This one is equipped with all of the factory all-weather mats. Car's non-smoking, has a clean Carfax history. Previous owner traded it towards the purchase of a new Silverado. Trailering package, rear cargo doors. Side profile of the vehicle. Passenger side seating area. You can view this Tahoe and all of our inventory online at tschevy.com or call us at 800-866-2138 and ask for the sales department. Thanks for looking.